All right, let's take a walk through. It's pretty freaking gross. I already got a bunch of stuff out of here. I bug bombed it like 4 times. Gross. Little Cape Cod. I'm gonna do a lot of demo in here. I'm gonna take all the walls down to studs, rewire, replumb, new HVAC, new kitchen, all these walls. I'm gonna take all this wall down. This wall come down, open it all up. All right, a nasty kitchen. Ugh. There's just shit everywhere. So, got that big dumpster. Start throwing stuff out until it's clean. Hopefully a couple days I get her cleaned out. Let's go upstairs. Yeah, that's poop. And that's poop. And that's poop. And that's poop. All right, ugh. 1 bedroom up here. Little tiny bedroom full of crap. Another bedroom full of crap. And the bathroom down here, which isn't any better, which will get gutted and made like brand new. So this is a quick tour of the nasty before cleaning out house. Hopefully in about 2 or 3 months, I'll make it brand new. So stay tuned for more updates. That's gonna get filled today.